Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic Karak tea, a beloved spiced milk tea. First, gather your essential ingredients. You will need fresh whole milk, strong black tea leaves, sugar, and green cardamom pods. Using whole milk ensures a rich, creamy texture, while a robust black tea like Assam provides the perfect base. Crushing 3 to 4 cardamom pods releases their wonderful aroma, which is key to the tea's distinctive flavor profile. Let's get started on this delightful journey. Now, let's begin the brewing process by infusing our spices. Take a saucepan and combine 1.5 cups of water with the freshly crushed cardamom pods. Place this mixture over medium heat and bring it to a gentle boil. Allow the cardamom to simmer for approximately 2 minutes. This crucial step ensures that the aromatic oils from the cardamom are fully released, creating a fragrant base that will define the unique taste of your Karak tea. It's all about building those layers of flavor. Next, we introduce the main components. Add 2 generous tablespoons of your chosen black tea leaves directly into the simmering cardamom water. Immediately after, pour in 2 full cups of whole milk, stirring gently to ensure everything is well combined. Bring this entire mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it continue to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This extended simmering time is essential for the tea and milk to fully meld, creating that signature rich and creamy texture. Finally, it's time to sweeten and serve your delicious Karak tea. Stir in 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or adjust the amount to perfectly suit your taste. Once sweetened, carefully strain the tea through a fine mesh sieve directly into your favorite serving cups. This ensures a smooth, leaf-free beverage. Serve your Karak tea immediately while it's still wonderfully warm and fragrant. Enjoy this comforting, spiced, and creamy drink, a perfect treat for any time of day. Cheers to your homemade Karak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.